guys, and welcome back to another UK random video. Right, so today, let's get rid of that. I'm doing another speed build. Now, many of you may remember that last week I built this Batman 3D puzzle. This is absolutely awesome. This week I'm building Superman. These are brilliant. They're from a company called Happy Well. It's the Justice League 3D puzzle, 72 pieces. This one did take me a blooming long time. I think about 50 minutes. And considering these are for, what's the age on these? Oh, this one doesn't say. On the other box, it says 8+. I don't know what 8-year-old is going to sit there 50 minutes trying to build this. What I do want to point out is, if you look at this box, he looks transparent, and this one is more of a natural look. On the box it shows all the characters as transparent, whereas on this one it shows them as normal. The box, like I said, shows that, but I got this version, so I don't know how it works. Like, is it, you got to be lucky to get this one, or is this one, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling on it. I'm going to get this box open, and let's put Batman back. Ugh. And I am going to build Superman. So the pieces all come in bags. We've got one bag there, bag there. Quite a few bags. The instructions, not the easiest things to follow, but I shall do my best. Don't worry, I'm going to speed this up. You ain't going to sit and watch me build this for an hour. So, enjoy, and let's see what this looks like. So we're done. This one took me 55 minutes. 5 minutes longer than Batman did. And oh my God, I am shattered from that. Let's show you him. Let's show you him. There you go. There is Superman. That is brilliant. I love it. And the cloak is wicked. The cape, sorry. That is absolutely brilliant. And the hair as well. The detail on it is really cool. I'm really happy with this. So yeah, another really cool 3D bust of one of these awesome DC Justice League characters. What do you think of this bad boy? It's quite impressive. It does look really good. It looks a bit like Michael Barrowman. Anyway, for the price, which, well, this was £4 from B&M, bloody brilliant, kept me occupied for an hour. The only really bad thing is the numbers on each of the pieces are so small and it's really hard. That's what's taken me most of the time. I probably could have built this in half-hour tops if the numbers were darker, clearer. I don't know what to say. I really like this. That's gonna go and sit up there with Batman now. And yeah, I've got another one to come. You're probably gonna have to wait till next week for that one, because I need to find an hour to film that. So yeah, another impressive 3D puzzle. Good fun. Keeps the brain working. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you soon for another video.